Hi, 5 years ago I made a video about how to pack a backpack and I shared some tips with you. But on our last trip to Indonesia, we got a really great add-on I want to show you in this video. So one thing I realized is that even if you organize all your clothes, if you roll them, one of the most annoying things is once you're on the trip, everything is like falling around and very loose in your backpack. And in my last videos, I showed you those plastic bags to compress your clothes. But what happened a lot was that they open up accidentally or they broke. So these plastic bags are really not sustainable. And on top, I wanted to find another way to organize my backpack. So we found these bags from Travel Dude and this is our travel hack. So the great thing about these bags is you have different sizes. So a smaller one, middle size and a big bag. So the different sizes are really good to organize your backpack. For example, the big bag you can use for jeans or hoodies. The middle one is good for t-shirts and then you have a small one for underwear. On the other side of the big bag is a pocket which is waterproof. So in here you can put your wet swimwear or your wet bathing suit or even some sandy flip-flops. So what I like about these bags is that they are really stable and strong, even if you put a lot of clothes in there. On top, Travel Dude has also an adventure set. With the adventure set you get 3 bags in 3 sizes. The bum bag, the sling bag and the backpack. And the cool thing about these bags is you can use them to compress your clothes again. And on the other side there are 2 hidden straps. You close them and you use them as a day pack. So this was another little hack how to organize your backpack. We really love these Travel Dude bags. And if you got another tip, please post a comment. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe.